I've got a pair of oven mitts here. They're heat resistant, slip resistant. They have silicone on the outside here, and I don't know if you can see it, but on the inside as well. It's very heat resistant, very slip resistant. They're also cut resistant. They're made of several different weaves, different layers of weaves, to give protection against cutting and stabbing, I'm assuming. They feel good on your hand, like I can actually move and handle tools and equipment. Yeah, I feel like I could barbecue with these or work in the kitchen, especially if you have a restaurant or something. And they're cut resistant, stab resistant. I'm not saying you won't lose a finger, but you're a lot less likely to. Even heat, I don't even feel a thing. So it'd be great for handling like hot pans in the kitchen or taking a pan out of the oven. Yeah. Very good buy.